Hello, my name is Sabina Tursunova, and this is the part of pronunciation lesson for capstone 2 micro lesson. Enjoy. Okay, so we listened to the audios you recorded for me, for our class actually, with some phrases and words. And you said that all these audios, all this pronunciation you have is okay. Okay, so everything is understandable. You can understand what phrases and words you pronounce. That is good. That is good. However, I propose you to work on this pronunciation because this is very important to be understood by other people. I mean, people speaking not only your language, people from other countries. So today we will focus on four sounds actually, and I will show you the difference between these sounds in English and in Russian. Because actually, I hope you noticed, was I did, that these sounds you pronounce like in Russian. This is okay. This is not bad, but this is our work, okay, for today's lesson. So these four sounds are p, t, and d. So you know these sounds. You know how to pronounce these sounds. However, you need to listen more and you need to practice more to pronounce these sounds more English. Okay, make them more English. First of all, I want you to know that these sounds, comparing to Russian sounds, p, b, t, d, pronounced with more pressure. Okay, with more pressure, with more air going through your mouth, through your lips. Okay, so for this, to show this, to show the difference, I ask you to prepare the piece of paper, okay, or a piece of tissue paper or something like this, but not carton, please. Should be, yes, should be light. So I prepared a piece of tissue paper with ninja turtles. I like them. Do you like them? Okay. So you have no choice. I have them today. So to show you the difference, I want you to put this paper next to your mouth, but not too close. Okay, not like this. Like this, not too close. Please do it like this. Here. So we will pronounce, firstly, we will pronounce the sound P. P. Please look the difference. What is the difference? P, P, and P, 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 P. So you see, when I pronounce it English, as English speaking people, I move, not I actually, but the air from my mouth moves the paper, right? And the move is pretty strong, right? Okay, for example, pig, pig. You see? Pig, pig. Let's try to say it like in Russian, okay? Pig, pig. No movement. Pig, pig. Pig, pig. Okay, so almost the same with the sound b, almost the same. The sound b in English is stronger than in Russian. It will not move our paper too much as the sound p does. However, it moves our paper a little bit more than Russian. But like let's take this big, for example. In Russian, big, big. In English, big, big, big. Okay. Moves a little bit. But it should be, the pressure should be more, actually. Big, big. Sometimes it moves, sometimes not. Okay, but however, I hope you noticed that the sound P and sound B, they are different. I mean, the movement of the paper is different. Pig, big, pig, big. So with P, with the sound P, it moves a lot, right? With the sound B, it moves, but not as strong as with the sound P. This is because the sound P is okay. We do not pronounce it with our voice, but the sound B we pronounce with our voice, and some air goes to the voice, so it's not as strong as the same situation with the sound T and D. T and D. First of all, please see the difference. Let's take, for example, 10 and dan. 10, 10, 10. We move 10, and 10, 10. No, I did something wrong. 10 and dan, 10 and dan. I think my air is not that strong. However, you see the difference. Please notice. Please, I hope you understand that there is a big difference between T and D in English sounds, and T, D, Russian sounds. Okay, so it's not 10. Sorry, it's not 10. It's 10. It's not dan. It's dan. T, D. In Russian, T, D. In Russian, we do almost. We have almost no pressure in our mouth. Okay, but in English, we do have this pressure. We do have it. We do have it. Okay, so the paper moves. It doesn't move as with T, T, but D, T, but D. Okay, but it moves. It moves. So to practice with these sounds, let us read some words. I will show you the words, and please repeat after me. So firstly, of course, when you will read, you will not pronounce every sound like this. However, if you will practice more with these words, so-called memo pairs, you will have no troubles, you will have no problems with this sound, and you will sound more English. Okay, and please, before we will start, I want to tell you that it is okay to have an accent. It is okay to have an accent. However, it is better to sound more English if you can. If it is not if you have no difficulties with your tongue, with your mouth, with your your physical difficulties. Okay, but actually you don't. Actually, Russian-speaking people, they can do it. They can do it. So you can see that I can do it. Okay? Remember, pig, big, pig, big, and pig, pig. Sounds non-English, right? Pig, English. Big, English. Pig, not English. Big, not English. Okay? The same. 10, 10. Moves a little bit. 10, 10. Dan, Dan. Movement is very small, however, it sounds not like then, then. It's Dan. Okay? So I hope this is clear. So let's practice more.